Good day guys, welcome to the best online tutorials channel. In this video I will show you how to flush DNS and reset IP settings to boost internet speed on Windows 11. So very first step is just open up your start menu and search for terminal. Okay, so here we have the terminal and make sure to choose run as administrator and open it up. Okay, and in here I will provide you a commands one by one that you need to perform and insert and apply to flush your DNS and reset the IP. So let's do that. Okay, so the first command is going to be ipconfig/renew. So this will make sure to reset your IP address and assign a completely new, fresh one. So just hit enter. Now the second command. Okay, I'll delete this one. And the second command is netsh winsock and then reset. So the incoming and outgoing traffic from your PC will be completely refreshed, and by this you will reset your entire network. And guys, lastly I will show you a very neat trick. So just create a new text file on your desktop. Okay, test document. Then go ahead and insert these commands right over here, and then go file and save as. And then guys, just make sure to name this file as network fix, for example, or you can just use anything you wish. And make sure that after the dot you choose bat, and not the txt. And then you can just double click and reset your network just with 2 clicks of your mouse, and you won't have to input and insert all those commands manually by yourself. So that's it guys, enjoy the video. If this video helped you out, like and subscribe.